Well, here's my 2014 Camaro RS, and here's my 2012 Challenger RT. Thing is about this car is it's pretty quick. It's a pretty peppy automobile for a V6. It's got a lot of little, it's got a lot of ability to squirt, to go really quickly, and it's a light feeling car. It doesn't feel heavy. It doesn't feel bulbous. I guess that may be a word. Maybe not the right word, but thing I don't like about this car, it's got a very high belt line. So your head is right here where my hand is, and so there's not a whole lot of visibility, especially out of the back. I mean, it looks cool, but it's not a very easy to drive car. It's kind of you can't see much out of the back, but it's really cool. These rear quarter panels, how they really bulge out a lot. That's a styling cue that a former customer of mine wanted me to do on his '69 Camaro, and we did. We widened it out almost as wide as this, but that's a cool feature of the Camaro. And on my Challenger, it's got a much lower belt line right here where the window is, and you got a lot more visibility. It's a bigger car. The back seat is bigger. You can actually put people back there. Not that you'd want to, but you can. And they're both pretty cool cars. They're both filthy. I'm gonna wash them both tomorrow morning, but it's kind of neat. Two sports cars. Anyways, that's my brief comparison of a Camaro and a Challenger. Okay, cheers.